We've got in the process of upgrading our irrigation, and we've moved to lateral systems on the farm here as part of our new farm establishment, and that is really to improve the efficiency and the accuracy and timeliness of our application of water. And with our research trials, that's really important, Brad, to make sure we get whether it's seedlings or sets or billets out of the ground at the right time, and providing the best opportunity to compare the various cultivars or assessments depending on the trial type. It's I guess the way forward with irrigation practice, and it really helps us deliver those research results by again timeliness of irrigation, and it's not only getting the cane out of the ground, but also being able to manipulate our weed control and getting a flush of weeds, and so we're not sort of stuck with in-crop chemicals, being able to use the broad spectrum out of crop. Well, this farm is I guess got a combination of groundwater as well as surface water irrigation, and so we've got the water allocation there available. It was previously a mix of flood irrigation as well as sprinkler, and so this was I guess deemed to be a much better way of I guess improving the water application on farm. And also we've gone for 2 laterals, and that really is a decision to improve the accuracy and the timeliness for our trials in particular, because we've got 2 independent systems, and we can sort of match that timeliness of irrigation much better. Much more improved efficiency in terms of application of water. There's some issues around the energy to drive these systems, and I guess as an industry we probably need to look at that and work it through. But in terms of application of water on where it's needed, and without any reducing waste and runoff and impacts offsite, this is a great system.